So did you know that the pimento industry contributes 90% to Jamaica's spice exports? Well, I didn't know that. Our next guest, upper sixth former at Froome Technical, Leslie Rose, is the winner of the 2025 National Youth and Agriculture Award in the pimento grafting category at the 71st Denby Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show. But we're not talking to her this morning. I won't tell you why in a little while. I don't know why she's laughing. All right, so good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome. How are you?
I'm fine.
Congratulations first.
Thank you.
What is grafting?
Grafting is putting together two of the same plant together to form as one.
Okay, but it have to be the same plant, so you can't graft a mango and orange.
No.
You should try it one time and see what you... So, you're big in agriculture at school. I think your family, you guys have a farm, right?
Yes.
So that's where they started with you?
Yes.
But I don't think you're going to be a farmer.
No.
Okay. So how you found out about this competition and what you needed to do?
Mr. Maxwell Rodney, the parish manager, the 4-H parish manager for Westmoreland, he told me about the competition and he encouraged me actually to come and, participate because he said he knows that I can do it.
Okay, did you know what you were supposed to do before all of that?
No, he taught me everything that I know.
So how long that took you to work it out?
It was not long, probably 2 days.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then how long before the competition you did it? Because they had to see that it worked, don't you?
Yes, you have to see that it works. And it takes weeks to a month to fully form together and merge.
Show me what you do.
Okay.
The plants have to come together, right?
Yes. So you take two of the same plant. What I was doing was on approach grafting for pimento tree because
What is it called?
Approach grafting.
Approach grafting.
Yes, because they have to come together.
Okay.
Yes.
That's where the approach come from.
Yes.
Okay.
So you're gonna find your mother tree, which is a fully grown tree that is bearing, and you're gonna get your seedling tree. But for this case, we only have 2 seedling trees because you can't get a tree in here.
Problem.
So we find it at have the same size, and then you merge it together, find where you want to make your incision. It's supposed to be 2 inches, sorry. And then you're gonna take away the layer and find the cambium layer, and merge it together, get your grafting tape, you wrap it tightly to ensure that no water can seep through because it will rot.
You do the incision first, or like a doctor. All right, show me what you do. You have a knife and everything?
Yes.
All right,
so
show me what you do then.
You clear your area using your secateur. So clear away the leaves where you want to put it together. Oh my. Yeah.
No, nothing. You can work.
So,
you can just take off this.
Yeah.
Take off this. Just cut off that.
That was an accident.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
No problem at all.
So you get your budding knife. Take away
You were taught all of this?
All of this.
How long did it take you to understand exactly what you were doing?
2 days.
2 days?
2 days. I'm a fast learner.
Oh, obviously.
So,
obviously.
Reach to the point where it's white. You see
Yep.
the cambium layer?
Yep. And you do the same thing on the other side?
Yes. Okay.
You only did this once?
Yes.
So you get it right. If when you did pull up the top, it's not a thing.
No, because you're gonna wait until it's fully formed before you take them apart.
Okay.
You merge it together.
Pimento is a seasoning, right? Pimento is like a black sauce, but you don't eat that. So yeah, but we put it in the pot. Every time I see it, I just move it out of the way. If you ever bite that, it don't have a nice taste,
So you wrap it tightly from top to bottom.
Yeah. All right?
Yes.
How far down it has to go?
So just ensure that you cover
that up.
Yes.
And then you just leave it like that and that's it?
Yes, and you monitor your plants, water your plants, make sure that it's in a place where it don't dry out, you know.
But I still would like to know, because after you tape it up and stuff, how you know that it's ready to go?
Because you're gonna see it's growing
It's
and
coming to
it's coming together.
And you said
But
you did this only once. You never tried before and mess it up and then try another one?
No, before you remove the tape though, you just before you cut them, because you gotta cut them from the mother tree to your rootstock. You're gonna cut them apart.
What was the kind of grafting you said before?
Approach.
Approach. Is there another kind of grafting that you can do?
Yes. You can do a splice, you can do a bridge.
So
but
this is what?
This is the best one for pimento.
Bigger benefit to this one?
Yes, for pimento tree.
What kind of tree is this, by the way, please?
Pimento.
Is it pimento?
Yes, you can smell it.
No, sir.
It smells so nice.
Oh, it smells nice, but it not tastes nice too.
So,
and that's it?
Yes.
And
you water your plants and you're going to monitor it, make sure that this is tightly, it has to be tight because if water seeps through, it's going to rot. Yes.
Question. So you have 2 pimento trees. Why you need to do no grafting? Then the tree not there already?
No, you're not going to, it's hard to know if you're going to get a bearing fruit tree from the pimento tree that these trees, these trees are not necessarily going to bear,
So how you know whether they will bear or not?
It's not necessary. It's like a one in a few trees.
Like a little trial and error type of thing. But
So
yours work.
Yes, so you have to get a bearing tree.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. To join it with your seedling.
I like it. Yes. I like it. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You said already you do not want to be a farmer, even though your family has a farm. So what you want to do?
I want to be a flight attendant.
A flight attendant?
Yes.
All right. How close are you to that?
I would say...
Have you figured out what you need to do to get there and stuff already?
Yeah, partially.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject... It was maths one of the time.
It was maths?
And probably now it's English.
It's English?
Yes.
So what you doing now at school?
Sixth form.
Subjects that you do?
Entrepreneurship, tourism, PE, and I did com studies. But coming on to upper 6, I'm going to do Caribbean studies.
I'm so impressed.
Thank you.
I'm very, very, very impressed. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So the reason we decided that we didn't want to speak with her is because she come all the way from rural and don't bring anything for us. Eh? All the way from rural.
All the way from rural.
Eh? You came in this morning?
Yes.
All right. Well, safe trip going back.
Thank you
and
so much.
Say hi to the students and the teachers. And congrats again.
Thank you.
Well done. So you're going to leave it, so? And when you come back next week, we have a new tree. Eh? She's the 2025 National Youth in Agriculture in the pimento grafting. Her name is Leslie Rose, and she's one of the people in Jamaica that's good about Jamaica. Congrats again.
Thank you.
Even though we don't like it too much. Congrats. All right, up next, Delia, we'll check with our Caribbean friends. Wrestling Bahama Mama. Bahamas Mama, I think I'm supposed to say. We soon come. Stay with us. See what I just done, folks?